see the robot. Get that on, that looks expensive. This is absolutely insane.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Another beautiful day in Phuket, Thailand. Can't tell obviously because we're indoors.
We're indoors, yeah.
Today we're at Central Phuket and we're going to go to Sukishi, Japanese buffet. I've been there before, you get served by robots.
You do indeed.
And it's pretty epic, so yeah, let's do it.
Let's go, we're so hungry.
I know, Marvin.
Starving.
Here we are.
We've arrived.
Bloody lovely in here.
Yeah, they've got platinum, gold, silver and copper.
We normally go for gold.
The gold, yeah.
I think.
Yeah, because we have the sashimi.
Yeah, sashimi in a barbecue buffet.
Sashimi, sashimi. What it looks like. Ooh. Gold one, this one.
2 gold, please.
2 gold, yes,
Yeah.
please.
So 5% service charge. Your drink's actually refillable. 699 baht per person. 5% service charge. Might have already said that. And you can eat it for 2 hours.
I know. Last time it was like
an hour and a half. Yeah, something like that.
This place is always like the busiest buffet place, isn't it? And you get to see the robot.
Soon, hopefully.
Got a little QR code for the menu.
So you scan it essentially, and then you can just order whatever you want, and then it just comes to your table.
Yeah.
It's
For 2
nuts.
hours.
For 2 hours. And it's good. Very good.
Very good.
Ordered 19 things.
19?
19 things. I think the fun bit about this, the Danish bit, is you literally just go through it and just select everything.
Yeah. It's not in English, is it?
No. And then
you choose from the pictures.
hit confirm. And then it's coming.
This way.
Yeah.
There's our refillable drinks. Oh my god.
So how cool is that?
Crikey. Wow. Look at all this stuff. Yeah. Oh, there's the robot. It's so cute.
Sabrina, where are you? So it's obviously we ordered way much more food than we needed.
I know.
Look at the sashimi there.
I know, I feel like this sashimi is the best bit. Like, we need to turn these over.
Got a little rat. A bit of soy there, boys.
So good, isn't it? Like a Japanese taco, isn't it?
Are you going there, not the soy?
Nah.
Oh yeah, freestyling it. Nice?
It's the best thing, yeah.
Bit of this, and a little bit of that. And a little bit of this.
There's this, a little bit of that.
And a little bit of that.
Oh, there's the prawn sashimi. What do you reckon though, the pork?
Amazing.
Favourite sauce. So yummy. So good. Look at that. So good. Wow.
It's unreal, isn't it? Bloody beautiful.
Perfect. Lots of meat here.
Shall I try the prawn sashimi?
Oh yeah, go for it. You're gonna wrap it up?
Yeah, so we've never tried prawn sashimi before. Didn't really know.
We haven't,
Didn't really
no.
know the thing. It's got the shell on it as well.
Is it?
little bit of it, yeah, tail.
Ah, okay, the tail's fine.
It's slippery.
This was slippery bugger.
I'm actually quite scared about this, to be honest, because
What's the texture gonna be like?
I don't know. I don't know whether it's a thing. Do you eat prawn this raw?
What do you think? That's a good base.
Very prawny.
Yeah?
Very good.
Very good, yeah?
Yeah.
How was the tail?
Fine. Oh, you've done it, got it in there in one. Took me a couple. Bit of slipper. Surprisingly good, right?
I don't know about that.
Sabrina's super Korean, Japanese concoction.
Yeah, bit of kimchi, bit of cucumber, bit of bean sprout as well.
Why not?
And then we dip it in the magic sauce. Like a spring roll.
Oh my god, you've done it. What did you think of round one?
Absolutely delicious. I don't really think it's touched the sides yet though.
Do you not feel full or anything? You always say this and you order loads of food and then
Well,
you're like...
it doesn't help, we've ordered 25 different things.
Yeah, round two consists of 25 pieces and it's a lot of meat.
Last time it was 19, right?
Yeah.
Managed to top yourself this time.
Yeah, and then we'll get another 25 and then we're done.
So our end time is at 6:53. And if we have any plates that we don't finish after the time, it's 100 baht per plate.
Well, I'll be sticking any leftovers down my bloody pants on the way out, and so will you.
Got a while still.
Got an hour and 10 minutes.
Yeah, plenty of time.
This is
Tower.
This is so efficient. But did you press that?
Yes. Look at all of this meat.
There you go, some left mash.
Oh, thank you very much.
Little rabbit.
Get that on, that looks expensive.
Yeah, I'm the one below. I think that's the Australian beef.
Stick that on too. You cannot be trusted in these places, can you?
No.
This is absolutely insane. All I'm doing right now is just trying to get it on and cook it so we can eat it. You know? We've got 3 plates left.
Can you bloody believe it?
No, we've got loads of time left.
Have to get around 3, won't we?
Sneaky little round 3.
If you come to a BBQ buffet and you ever get worried about getting too full, just do what Sabrina does, because she seems to have the best tactic, where she simply just spends her entire time cooking and everybody else just eats around her. 50 plates, mi amigos, 50 plates in total.
I wonder actually how many slices of meat that is in total. Baby, look, it's the last bit we're turning, and that is it. Look, we got this, and yeah, we're done. We have done it, and we've got 23 past now. So Anthony likes it to be non-sliced. Straight off
couldn't be
the
bothered to
grill.
cut it. Just have the garlic. Let's get a bit of bloody wasabi in there actually while we're there. Stuff it. Oh crap.
Beautiful.
That's cute, isn't it? It's like a bow without the bow.
Yeah, like a little burrito. Is that a good idea? I'll be chewing for a little while.
What do you think then, Francois?
Really good.
Out of 10?
I would give it a solid 8.5.
8.5 is good.
Yeah.
I think the problem with a barbecue buffet, or any type of buffet for that matter, is when you get towards the end of the buffet, you kind of get like a little bit over it, so your rating goes down and down, and then you get tired of eating.
That's the thing. Like, at the start you're like, oh my god, this is so good. And then at the end you're like, oh my god, I've got to cook this. Because of the time limit.
I know, you've actually had a really busy evening.
I know, I haven't stopped.
Sabrina's going to be getting an early night, she's going to be shattered all of that cooking.
I know, this arm's buggered.
Oh, it was quite wonderful, wasn't it?
It was really good. I'm not as full as I normally am
No.
when I get a buffet.
1,571 baht, it's about 40 quid, give or take.
really not bad.
Not bad, not bad. Should we just, you know, special meal, special
Unlimited,
occasion? Not that it is a special occasion, but if it was, it
Every
would be,
day is a special occasion.
if it was a special occasion, it would be special because of this. Wouldn't it?
And look, depending on your height, you get your meals cheaper.
What?
Yeah, not small enough as you can see, but my stomach is
Done.
feeling like fuller as the seconds go by.
Are you feeling lucky?
We'll see. It's luck on my side today. Why do I sound like that?
It's light on my side
Luck on my
tonight.
side today. Who are we going for? This one in the middle.
Yeah, bang it. Go on. Oh.
Terrible.
And on that note, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. A bit of a different one. Don't really do too many restaurant videos.
Yeah, not too many food ones, but we enjoy eating and taking you with us, so
Yeah, like, comment,
Yeah.
subscribe if you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one.
yeah, stay tuned for the next one, guys.
Bye.
Bye-bye. The antenator is having a go.
It's actually not possible, is it?
I know, it's horrible.
It's infuriating. It's absolutely infuriating.
How many times have we done these as well?
Hundreds.
We've been robbed of how much money? No, I'm joking.
Probably about 50 quid.
Oh.
Let's go home.